Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm at Balhanna. And we got this one coming across from Perth and it's on its way to Melbourne. So the crossing's just gone off down there at Balhanna. That's the old Balhanna station. That looks sick. Geez, we should cop a good hit of the exhaust as it gets up here. So cool. So yeah guys, from Perth on its way to Melbourne, probably 1.5 to 1.8 Ks. Like I always say, smells absolutely amazing. It's a top spot here. Like he's under Mac's Chickens all the way up there. Let me get a bit closer up. So just up there's a loop. Gonna go through there, then he goes up through Nan. Then he starts to head down the other side, goes down through Callington. Have a look on my stuff there for the Callington curve. There's some awesome footage of that. And then from there he buggers off across the Murray River. We've got some footage of that on there as well. After that he goes across the plains, across to Victoria and down into Mexico, down into Melbourne. 3,500 kilometre trip. Up here, burning around about 550 litres an hour. I carry 12,500 litres each. Don't hold me to it, guys. Anywhere from 2 to 5 days, depending on priority, who's paying the most. Some companies carry a crew car, so they just rotate drivers as they go. Some companies change along the way. They're driven from up the front. There's only 2 guys up there. They control the whole train from there. Anyway guys, check out Rob and Trains on YouTube for all the big stuff. Follow it up the hill. That was mad. Drop us a comment, guys, where you want us to head to next. Check us out, mate. Rob and Trains. Cheers.